Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make Firefox, Mozilla Firefox, your default browser on Windows 10. So first of all you have to do is go to the start button here, then go to settings. Now from here you have to go to apps. Now after you have gone to apps, you will see the default apps here, click on it and then scroll down until you find a web browser, then click on here and you will see the default browser is currently Microsoft Edge, but we want to select Firefox and we have to click on Firefox here and then check it out. Oh, Windows, you really want me to use Microsoft Edge, don't you? But anyway, we are going to click on switch anyway. And there you go. You have made Firefox as a default browser on Windows 10. So that's how you can do it. And thank you everybody for watching this video. And if you think this video was helpful to you, please consider subscribing the channel and liking this video so that we can create more content like this in the future. And I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.